How to stop spam comments on your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can stop spam comments on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is open up your WordPress dashboard. Any of the website that you have or you're creating, you'll open up the dashboard. Now on WordPress, if you have a website where you have the comments, and sometimes we get spam comments and we want to stop them. We want a protection, a filter between the comments. So that's what I will show you how to add it. Now, what you have to do is simply go to your main menu right here on your dashboard, and I want you to scroll down to plugins. Now go to plugins and click on add new. We will be adding a plugin that will protect us from spam comments. Now you're here, you're gonna just search for a plugin known as Akismet. So this is one of the plugins that is really good, and you can see right here this one, the first one, Akismet. So this one is a spam protection plugin. You can see the best anti-spam protection to block spam comments and spam in a contact form. It has more than 5 million active installation and is compatible with my WordPress version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on install. Now if it's already installed, then you can just update it, and now you can click on activate. So once you do that, then you will have a Kismet on your menu right here, and you can open it up and do more settings. And now if you open up the comments right here on your WordPress website or any of the comments, so you will be able to block them. Any of the spam comments, they will be blocked from here, and you can filter them with your plugin that you have added, and you will get rid of any of these spam comments. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help, and now you know how to stop spam comments on WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.